Hey, good morning my friends. Check out the Border Models Focke Wulf 190A. Not a bad little model. It was a very rewarding little build. Really, the engine was a little bit hard to build. Like there were some difficulties there, but really cool model. Something that I really enjoy building from Border Models. Let's have a look underneath. So we'll have to make a little base for it. Not sure. I'm thinking about maybe just making a basic little scene at the bottom for it, maybe putting a little Mercedes there. But yeah, it's a nice little plane by Border Models. I recommend that you get one and have a go. It's really fun.